Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if the AI math feature in Goodnotes isn't solving equations, it's usually due to handwriting clarity, formatting issues, or connectivity problems. Okay, so here is how to fix it step by step. So the first thing is write the equation clearly. Okay, so use neat handwriting, keep numbers well spaced, avoid overlapping symbols. Okay, example mistakes to avoid, for example, stacked numbers, unclear fractions, messy exponents. Okay, so clean writing means or equals better recognition. Okay, so use standard math formats. So write equations in a simple structure, for example, like this. So let's show you how. For example, so as you can see here, okay, this way. Avoid drawing decorative arrows or shapes. Don't mix diagrams with equations. Check internet connection also. So AI math needs internet to solve, so switch Wi-Fi on and then off, or off and then on. Try another network. Retry solving. So you can also convert handwriting to math first. So select equation using lasso tool, okay, and tap convert if available, and then send to AI math. Okay, it improves accuracy. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.